Hello guys, welcome back once again. In this video, we're going to quickly have a look at how we can create a C-sharp peer-to-peer chat application inside the .NET Core console applications. We are using Visual Studio and the help of OpenAI's L3 Mini code assistant. Okay, to get ourselves started, please make sure you install the GitHub Copilot workloads inside of Visual Studio. If you don't know how to do it, have a look at the channel. I've got a couple of videos on that. Yeah, but if you already got it, let's get straight into it then. So let's go ahead and click on create a new project. So basically for this application, we're going to create 3 projects. Okay, so one project will be a server, be a discovery server whereby the clients can connect to find each other clients. Okay, so first of all, let's go ahead and create a console app here. So we're going to call this chat.server. So this will be our discovery server. So we're just going to leave the project, the solution as chat. Okay. So this project will be a chat.server project. So let's click on the next and then create the project. So now we've got our server project created for us. So let's go ahead and add other projects. Yep. So let's right click the solution and add a new project. So we're going to name this chat.client, client1. Okay. So let's go ahead and add one more project. So we're going to call this new project. We're going to call it obviously chat.client2. So this will be our second client. So as you can see here now, we have got 3 projects created for us now. Yeah. So the first one will be our discovery server. Obviously, this will actually register all the connected clients. So let's come to the GitHub Copilot chat here. So as you can see here now, we've got ChatGPT 4 selected for us. So let's select L3 Mini, yeah? And then let's type this prompt. Okay. Let's create a P2P chat app using, let's go ahead and select project. The first one is a chat.server as the discovery server and client1 and client2 as both clients. Okay, so let's have a look at what actually comes out of it here. So as we can see here now, we've got this generated for us. So below is a minimum implementation. The discovery server, which is the chat.server, listens on port 5000 for client registration and peer lookup request. So both clients, chat1 and 2, register themselves on a unique port 5001 and 5002 respectively. So, and then retrieve and use the discovered peer info to send chat message. Okay. So this is what we have here. So first bit here is a code for the discovery server. Okay. So let's go ahead and actually select our discovery, program.cs inside our discovery server, and then previewed inside. So basically this is what we get. So let's go ahead and resolve. Okay, so concurrent dictionary. So this will be under system.collections. So let's go ahead and resolve some of these things here. Yeah, so as you can see here now, we've resolved everything here. So we'll come back to the code here and have a look at what is actually going on, okay? But first, let's scroll down and let's put what is inside the client for the client, okay? So let's select our client1, the program.cs inside our client1, and then preview it. So let's go ahead and resolve the namespaces. Okay, so we've got all the namespaces. So let's grab the program.cs inside our second client. Okay, so let's preview it and accept it. Okay, let's go ahead and resolve some namespaces. So as you can see here now, we've got all the errors resolved, yeah? But first, to run it, let's go ahead and select this bit and configure startup projects. So let's select the multiple startup, and then let's make sure the chat.server is first to start running. So let's apply the changes and okay. So now let's go ahead and run it to see what actually comes out of it. So as you can see here now, we're actually prompted to allow access to our network. So let's go ahead and allow the access. Okay, so let's have a look at what is. So first bit, this one is the client, the client2, and this one is the first client. So as you can see here now, on this discovery server here, we've got both clients registered to it. So it's the same IP address because I'm running them on the same computer. But obviously, as you can see, we have the port number. So the clients will be listening on the port number. Okay. So let's have a look at the first client. Let's see. Let's type something if it will send. So actually, as you can see, this actually, it says here it sent it to the first client. So let's have a look at it here. So as you can see here now, we have it received. So let's type something and see if it will be sent to the. So as you can see here now, we have the second client being able to send message to the first client directly, not that without going through the discovery server. Okay. So as we can see here now, it's very simple to get yourself started. I just wish I could actually go ahead and let's go through the code. But obviously you can do that by yourself, yeah, trying to understand it. But on my next video, we're going to do the same thing using the DeepSeek AI as well, just to see what actually also comes out of it, yeah. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure you do, because I've got lots of videos coming up, and I hope you have a lovely morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you are. Peace.